Welcome back to my fragrance channel. This is Bade'e Al Oud Part 4. We're gonna be unboxing Noble Blush. This is for the ladies. This is like a nice little year-round, so I hear, scent. So we're gonna try this out and see what goes on with this right here, all right? Before I start this unboxing, let me give y'all these notes. I got top notes of rose milk. Middle notes, a meringue and almond. Base notes are vanilla, musk, and sandalwood. This is very, very different. I never smelled rose milk before. Now that I gave y'all the notes, let's get into this unboxing. This is a lovely pink box. Fellas, you want to get something nice for your lady. This is very affordable as well. 25 to 30 bucks. Easy, easy steal, all right? Okay, so check out the plastic. We go and unbox here. Rip the plastic off. Okay, 1 second. Bear with me. Okay. All right, let go the plastic off. Okay, you know how we do. Kobe, that's going. Now, check this out. Look at the box, y'all. I know y'all probably seen it on the last video, but look at this. This still is nice to me. Ooh, look at that. And look at that pretty pink box. Ladies, I know y'all got one of these, right? I'm probably late to the party. Look at this. My girl gonna have a field day with this right here. They got the plaque at the bottom, Lattafa at the top. They went with like a matte silver at the top. Looking at this bottle, it came like slightly damaged. I don't know why. You know, we like to keep it real here at my fragrance channel. That's not good. I don't like that. Okay, so hey, TikTok, get it together. I don't like that. That's not good. Okay, so yeah, I'll be definitely sending a complaint to the shop I bought from. But okay, let's see what happens if it affects the scent. Okay, all right, let's put it in the air. Let's see what's going on here. Ooh, this is nice. Ooh, I like this. This smells really, really good. My skin is not no use to this because I'm not wearing this. This is for the ladies. So I'm gonna need a little help. So bring it in. Dry, let it dry. Let's see. It's a gorgeous scent. I like it. I like it. One more time. Yeah, I like it. Ladies, this is a must buy. This is a must buy, ladies. This is impressive, all right? My girl's behind the camera and she's over there. She fully approves of this. This is fire. This is definitely good. This is very impressive. My girl gives this a A1+++. This is up there. I read comments where people compare it to Delina. I'm not sure about that, but it's definitely like a powdery, rosy, like a milk, creamy vanilla. It's very good. I would pick this up. Just make sure you go to the right seller because look, it's leaking right here. So I'll be contacting a seller to probably get another bottle or maybe my money back. But make sure you grab this, okay? With that said, thank you for watching my fragrance channel. Look out for my last video on Bade'e Al Oud here. This is gonna be Sublime. I'm gonna be unboxing Sublime. This will be my 5th and final Bade'e Al Oud video, all right? Thank y'all for watching.